In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can create a generative content inside an image using a really interesting tool in Photoshop. So first I search for images that I could use for this example, and I want a couple of images, one of an interior and another of a landscape. So I searched into pixels. I found this nice picture here, really funny, kind of a after party situation, or something which could be related to the first of the year. And we know we can download here. I'm just downloaded a medium file, and you can download freely from Pexels. And this is the order here, so you can donate, you can follow. And then I wanted something for landscape. This one could be good, so I'm just gonna also download this. And again, you can, if you want, donate here to this author and follow. And then there are other interesting images here representing new day, new dawn, or something, concerning new year, or something that reminds me of that. So you can go there and download all the image that you want and test this tool, which is really fun to work with. Now we are in Photoshop, and let's say that I want to crop this with a ratio here of 1:1. So I am in the cropping tool first. I select the 1:1 square because I want to do like something like Instagram or social network. So I don't really know how to cut this because I don't want to cut neither the head or the feet. So if I crop like this, I don't really like this. So let's say I want to maintain the 1:1 proportion here. And when I use the crop, I want to like um, get also the head here and the feet completely, and I want to center this. So the problem is that I have extra space here, and when I'm going to cut, I'm going to see that white stripes unless I use this type of fill, which is called the generative expand. So instead of using the background default, I can use generative expand, or I can use content aware fill. So let's go for generative expand, and this is going to generate that extra part that is not actually in there. So it's completely gonna invent pixels, invent parts of the image that is not there. There you go. And now I went back. Let's try also with the content aware fill. So let's do OK. And I guess this worked. Like, yeah, you see, this is like a worst result ever. And yeah, you can try maybe more, but usually it's better to use the artificial intelligence rather than the generative fill. Now let's open up also other images here. So let's go for this. So in this case, I don't want this like square cut, and I don't like vertical as well. I want something nice and horizontal. So I'm gonna go like, well, I just can define my, customize resolution like this. Probably I want something really widescreen. And again, I'm gonna try with generative expand, and I'm just gonna wait. So all you need to do is define your new size, a new crop, and then generate. And Photoshop will do the work for you. Really easy and relaxing. So you can try really, yeah, there you go. So it makes a really handsome and amazing job in my opinion. So let me do a last um, try here with another. Yeah, let's go for this one here. So again, I'm gonna expand. Want to make this like more like picture, like switching from vertical to horizontal. And again, generative expand and calculate. And the smaller will be the image, the faster will be the generation here of the new artificial intelligence AI field. And there you go. Well, sometimes you need to be very careful for the details, and something will eventually be strange, but you need to go there and really zoom a lot. Sometimes you need to pay attention, but if you look at the first glance, you won't have anything that is not good. Now here I'm expanding both on the top and also on the side, so I'm completely like making a bigger picture, and again it works. But if you go like here in the detail, you see there is like this strange crop, and so and also here. So sometimes that it could generate strange things, but you can always fix that with Photoshop. You have a lot of tools, and you also have an entire video course in a channel that you can check. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated, and join the channel if you want to support us. And see you in the next.